Twitter is bringing pinned DMs to everyone. You can pin up to 6 DM conversations to the top of your inbox. That's cool. I like that.
It's quite useful.
Especially if you have an abundance of DMs or you have open DMs. It could be a disaster in there. And then you have to constantly wade through a bunch of
Well, you have
spam.
a ton of DMs, I would assume.
Spam.
So is this something that would like be a game changer for you?
Let's see here. Twitter's now
This
rolling
guy
out
never messages though.
pinned DMs. Like, you mean as far as replying to messages? No, I know, man. Well, man, I can't even watch the show I'm trying to watch.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You got to listen to
I can't
it.
even watch the show I'm trying to watch. But
I think
this
it'll
would be cool. This would definitely be cool. It would be helpful. No, it would absolutely be helpful. I try to think about it in terms of like Chrome, how important it is for me to pin tabs.
Yeah.
That's my whole operating system. So I do use DMs, believe it or not, Will. I know you're skeptical. I do use DMs, and there's a handful of conversations which are could be pinned, are potential for pinning.
Yeah.
Okay.
Not yours though, Will.
No, definitely not mine.
What do you
Mine's
mean?
always last.
I see you every day. We don't even use Twitter. We use Slack.
Yeah.
And I reply to you, man.
Oh no.